There's a fungus in the rainforest that can do something unbelievable. It can influence an ant's behavior so precisely that scientists once thought it was impossible. This strange organism doesn't just spread, it strategically uses the ant to survive. Today, we're looking inside one of nature's weirdest survival tricks, the zombie ant fungus. But before that, please like and subscribe, it really helps me out. This isn't a monster story. It's a real fungus with a strategy so advanced that researchers are still trying to understand it. How does it guide an ant away from its colony? Why does it send the ant to one exact location? And how has this odd behavior evolved? Let's break it down. In tropical forests, carpenter ants constantly explore leaves, branches, and the forest floor. This makes them easy for fungal spores to land on. The ant continues its day normally, but the fungus has already begun its quiet process inside the ant. Nothing looks wrong from the outside. Not yet. Once inside, the fungus begins spreading through the ant's body. It affects how the ant moves and responds to its surroundings. Instead of following the colony trail, the ant gradually wanders off alone. It climbs in unusual directions, making choices it normally wouldn't make. To the ant, everything feels natural. But these behavior changes are signs of what the fungus is doing inside. Here's where things get really strange. The fungus guides the ant to a place with ideal conditions, usually a leaf or stem about 20–30 centimeters above the ground. This spot has the perfect humidity, temperature, and light for the fungus to grow. Scientists don't know how the fungus seems to select the perfect location, but the accuracy is impressive. This position is essential for the next stage. Once the ant stays still in that location, the fungus begins growing outward. It forms a structure that can release spores into the forest. Those spores fall to the ground, ready to land on new ants that pass by. And with that, the cycle continues. It's a strategy honed over millions of years. Simple, but extremely effective. Even though this behavior sounds dramatic, this fungus is harmless to humans. It's highly specialized and can only influence certain insect species. Humans have completely different biology, so this fungus can't affect us at all. But scientists study it because it shows how chemicals and organisms can influence behavior, something that could lead to new discoveries. The zombie ant fungus isn't a villain. It's a survival expert with one of the strangest strategies in nature, a tiny organism, a precise plan, and a story that proves the rainforest is full of mysteries we're still discovering. If you want more wildlife stories like this, make sure to check out my other videos over here. Nature is full of surprises.